I just need to share something that happened that really was an aha moment for me when it comes to recognizing signs from the spirit world, what I call the guide inside. So this happened just 10 minutes ago. And I would love your input. I'm not claiming to have the answers, but this is a good one, I think. So, I've been thinking a lot about a project communicating with the guide inside. Okay? So, and I've been insecure, will I know that it's that voice or another? I was insecure. So that's my headspace. And I was downstairs having breakfast, and they played background music, which you don't often pay attention to. Just in the background, creating an atmosphere. And suddenly, I paid attention, like book, and it was Sting singing, "It's Probably Me." So my question to you, is that a coincidence that I paid no attention to that music? I was eating, having a conversation with a woman, and suddenly I heard, "It's probably me." Crazy talk or a brilliant communication with the spirit world, from the spirit world? Crazy talk from me or brilliant from the spirit world? I have had so many experiences that regarding that my thoughts are not always my own. I call it the pop-in. You get an idea and so I wanted to share that. What do you think? It's probably me.